Here's a look at our burn tube housing. I've already had water in it, checking to make sure there's no small leaks in it anywhere. Between the housing and the baffle, we've got almost an inch space there, about 3/4 plus, I guess. Should be plenty enough room for the air entrance. My next step will be to weld a 2-inch pipe fitting over that opening for the fresh air intake. This is showing my grate. The little beeping ring that I put on the grate, I happened to find it right on the end of that tank and stole it. I took 8 inches out of this drum, or shorten it by 8 inches, welded it back together, and here I give it the water test. Seems to be holding fine. I feel like the hottest area on this drum may be this area right around here. So the 8-inch section I cut out of the drum, I put it back inside here to kindly serve as a heat shield. Here I've got a 18-inch section out of a 55-gallon drum. The OD on it is 22.5 inches, and I'm going to shrink it down to about 20 inch. Cool. We're up to this point right here. I've welded the red drum to the top plate and leak tested it, water tested good. 2-inch pipe, welded, water tested. You can look through there and see the baffle inside the fire tube. Next, I'll trim this off as flush as I can get it. I've got my heights figured for the rib on this barrel will line up with their air opening there. There's not going to be much clearance between the two barrels, but by having that rib in there to let it breathe easier.